PS4 machine, fully auto forming and cutting machine, fully automatic forming and cutting machine, integrates forming, cutting and stacking, trimming. At the same time, it has the features of saving labor, improving efficiency, lowering labor intensity and reducing production cost. It adopts PLC controller and touch screen to control the working program. 2 workers are enough for whole production line. The machine is plastic sheet forming equipment in one step with following process: transporting sheet, heating, forming, cutting, stacking and winding waste edge.